Good game, Dave.
That was alright.
What's the matter?
I got this date tonight.
That's great.
Yeah, but you know how I am. I get all nervous, shaky, clam up. It's just...
Yeah. Well, just be yourself. No. You know what? I got just the thing for you. Come with me.
Cool.
Hi.
Good evening.
I'm Christine.
Christine, hey, I'm Dave.
I'm friends with Tyler.
Oh, Tyler, that's right.
Yeah.
How could I forget?
What's with the helmet?
Dude, I told you she'd notice.
No, don't worry about it. Just tell her you rode your bike here.
I just rode my bike here, actually, and the helmet strap got stuck on my beard, and it's stuck.
Ouch, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So what do you do for a living?
Oh, it's really cool. I work in the IT department at SparkFun. It's awesome. We just got a new 10 terabyte SAN array. It's like RAID 5.
Dave, stop. She doesn't want to hear about that. Just tell her you make a lot of money and you have a really good job.
I make a lot of money, and it's really great there.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Cool.
So what do you do?
I work in retail. It's okay. I don't really like my boss.
Oh, tell her that's funny.
He doesn't know what he's talking about. He's always asking me
That's
to do
funny.
Yeah, he's always asking me to do these ridiculous things, and the customers are sometimes not so...
Customers.
Yeah, customers.
Yeah, I had this one come in yesterday, and she was really belligerent
Tell her you like her shirt.
and just crazy about trying to return
I really
something.
like your shirt.
Thank you. So what do you do for fun?
Hey Rob, you want to go play ping pong?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you got this, Dave. You're doing great.
You got it.
For fun?
You got it. Good luck, Dave.
Okay, well, it was nice meeting you. I'm just gonna go. Good night.
Hello everyone, this is Robert with SparkFun Electronics, and this is yet another Friday new product post, so let's see what products we have for this week. So some of you might remember the RN42 module that we talked about a few weeks back. This is the same module as the other one, except for it has an HID protocol instead of the normal SPP or UART protocol. We have this mounted on the same board as the Bluetooth mates, and so now it's a little bit easier to use and you don't have to deal with SMD soldering. A few weeks back, we also talked about the illuminated rotary encoders that we have. We have a breakout for those that has the illuminated ring on the outside, but if you're not looking to use that and just want to use just the rotary encoder, we have this board. This board is a simple breakout which allows you to connect the illuminated rotary encoder to it, and it's got all the pins easily marked here so you can connect to the LEDs that are inside of it and to the actual rotary encoder. And we've got 4 mounting holes on the outside of this so you can mount it into your enclosure. And in addition, you could also use this for the regular rotary encoders, which are the same pin out. You're just not going to be connecting the actual LEDs on it. Here we have a surface transducer. Now, a surface transducer differs from a regular transducer in that it does not have a cone per se. A normal speaker cone or speaker driver has a cone which it uses to project the sound outwards, and then you can hear it. This is different in that it doesn't have a cone. As you can see, it just has this voice coil here and then this little plate that attaches. What you would do with this is you would attach this to something, play an audio signal through it, and it would turn whatever surface you apply it to into a transducer. So for instance, this desk it would make as a speaker. You could put this against a wall, a window, etc. We used this in the beginning of the video. We made this monstrosity, which Dave used on his date, quite successfully, I think. And what this is it's a helmet. We've got an amplifier on the back, which actually was gutted from a pair of computer speakers. We've got an Arduino with a radio shield here, which actually tunes into any radio frequency we want. And inside, we've got 2 of these transducers. These actually hit right on the forehead, so what we could do is use a microphone to talk to Dave over FM radio frequency and he could hear what we were saying. And this whole thing actually kind of has a weird effect because it kind of vibrates your whole head and your whole skull, and it feels like the person's kind of inside your head talking to you. So it's really uncomfortable and not fun to wear, but it made for a funny video. So let's crack one of these open and see exactly what's inside. So here we're just going to unscrew the top, and you can see the coil assembly and the suspension system underneath, and there's just 4 screws holding it onto the main magnet body. And we're just going to take off these 4 screws. And so once we get these 4 screws out, we're just going to simply lift out the whole voice coil mechanism. And you can see from the inside it's just a magnet, and we've just got a basic voice coil with wire windings, and that's it. So there you have it, another Friday new product post. We have even more new products on the website, so go ahead and check out the rest of the blog post, and we'll see you again next week with more new products.